Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our 950 grams of stewing beef. Pat it completely dry with paper towels and season thoroughly with 2 teaspoons each of salt and black pepper. This step is crucial for getting a nice brown crust. You'll know the meat is dry enough when the paper towel comes away clean. Heat 4 tablespoons of neutral oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Working in batches, brown the seasoned beef on all sides. Don't overcrowd the pot. You want each piece to have enough space to develop a rich brown color. You'll know the meat is properly browned when it easily releases from the bottom of the pot, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Now, in the same pot with all those flavorful brown bits, cook 1 large diced onion and 4 minced garlic cloves. The onions will help release all those tasty bits stuck to the bottom. You'll know they're ready when they become translucent and soft, about 5 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of tomato paste and 2 teaspoons of meat spice to the pot. This is where we build our flavor base. Stir everything together and cook for about 2 minutes until you notice the tomato paste darkening slightly and becoming fragrant. Time to add 3 tablespoons of flour to thicken our stew. Stir it in well and cook for about a minute to remove the raw flour taste. The mixture will look quite paste-like at this point. That's exactly what we want. Now comes the liquid phase. Pour in 3 cups of beef stock, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of red wine, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add the 2 beef cubes as well. Stir everything together, making sure to scrape up any remaining bits from the bottom of the pot. Return the brown beef to the pot along with 2 bay leaves and some fresh thyme. This is where the magic starts to happen. The meat will slowly become tender in all these flavorful liquids. Time to add our vegetables. 3 large carrots cut into chunks, 3 large potatoes cut into similar sizes, and our 400 grams of butter beans. Make sure everything is submerged in the liquid. If needed, add a bit more stock or water. Bring everything to a gentle simmer. Then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook for 1.5 hours. You'll know it's ready when the meat is fork tender and the vegetables are cooked through but still hold their shape. By the way, since many of you ask about this pressure cooker that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Finally, remove those bay leaves. They've done their job. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter for extra richness, and garnish with fresh thyme. The stew should be thick and glossy, with tender meat that practically falls apart when touched. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye!